Hi everybody, today I'm going to be showing you a review on the Lego alarm clock. Lego alarm clock, yeah. Anyway, I bought this at a Lego store and it was for $24 and it came with some batteries, so you don't have to buy any because there are some batteries over here. And it's made by Lego. Anyway, let's start the review. Okay, now this is where they tell the time. Right now it's 7:30 a.m. and you can, but it has a cool thing. There's 24. You can switch from 12 hours to 24 hours. Oh, it does nothing. Only when it's 13, when it's 1, when it's in the alarm clock. Oh, it does nothing right now. Okay. And here is where the alarm button is. And I know. Oh yeah, when the alarm rings, it has a backlight. Yeah, you push it. It's a backlight, because these things, are the backlight, because when you sit down and push it, it glows. And it's good for seeing in the dark. Look at, see? I can see it. Oh, it's going away. Okay. Anyway, this thing has an alarm. You set to, oh yeah, the alarm, it's set to is 6:10. That's when I woke up to make the video, but soon. Okay, okay, when I set the timer or alarm, this thing blinks. And you can change the time, because it changes. The thing changes even though you cannot see that or not, because it's a reflection that's making you cannot see. Yeah, it has a alarm and a sound. Oh, I forgot this. Okay. There we go. Okay. Now, when you push this, this means that the alarm will ring by the exact time when it rings, and this is where to snooze. If you push on the Lego brick when the alarm rings, that's a snooze button, because it, like in a regular alarm clock, a snooze button allows you to sleep for a little bit, for about 4 minutes. No, wait, 5 minutes, because this alarm clock allows you to, the snooze button allows you to sleep 4 more minutes. That's how the alarm rings, because it's like a digital alarm clock. Okay, this is where the sound comes from. They have put an alarm clock. But you want to stop. If you want to snooze button, press on the brick. If you want to turn the alarm off when it rings, or when it's not ringing, you can just turn it off. Anyway, it kind of hurts your ear when you. It kind of hurts your ears when you place this speaker in your ear that close, or else you're. Yeah, that will happen. Anyway, thanks for watching my Lego video about how to make a Lego. Wait, this ain't the ending. Let's look it. Okay, now it's it. The alarm is at 24 out. Okay, now the Lego alarm clock is at 24 hours. So when it reaches 1, it goes 13. Wait. Oh, sorry, that was 13. There we go. Now this is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. This is 9. This is 10. This is 11. This is 12. It's much easier on 12 hours. So, hold on. Okay. And this is the alarm to 11. Okay. Thanks for watching. And this is really great because you can use an alarm clock when you're gonna wake up for the day. And thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want more Lego. If you want more Lego reviews. Thanks, everybody. Bye.